This is the first time John and Jerry Coco and Moon Kawakahi of the MAKAHA Sons have appeared in the festival, and we're really fortunate because festival organizers have been trying to get them here for nearly a decade, but their schedules didn't always match, and finally this year they did. They're Hawaiian musicians who have remained true to their cultural roots. Let's sit back and relax and enjoy that special blend of vocals and music that they're known for.